Hello and welcome to this new video on how to Dropbox a video. So if you are new here, subscribe and press the notification bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming further videos. And let's get started. So firstly, you need to open the web browser of your choice. In the top of the web browser, there will be a search bar. Just click on it. Now you just have to type Dropbox and press enter in the keyboard. Now the search results will be shown to you. You just have to click on the first search result. Since I have already signed in, I just have to look on the top right hand side of the screen. There will be my account. So I'll just click on it and I'll be able to access my account. And when I am inside this interface, then I just have to look on the middle of the screen. There will be an upload button. I just have to click on that upload button. And there are two different options, that is files or folders. So I'll just click on the files and I'll be able to access the storage of my device. Now I just have to choose the video that I want to Dropbox and I'll just click on the open button and the uploading will be started. So this is how you can easily Dropbox a video. So if this video is helpful to you, don't forget to leave a like button. Thank you.